Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Toyota Highlander, and on this Toyota Highlander we're going to go over how you would replace this exterior, the outer tail light assembly on this vehicle. So to start with, to replace this outer tail light assembly, you would raise the hatch, you would remove these two bolts, and this will be in here pretty good. And so you're going to apply some pressure and push it back, maybe rock it a little bit, because this tab right here can be pretty tough to get it to come out. And then once you've got it out, then you undo this clip here that holds this electric connector in here, and then some electric runs through here. Just twist the light bulbs out, unlock them, pull this out. You can hang the light bulbs off to the side for the moment while you get your new assembly. You'd be replacing this assembly if it's cracked or broken, and you would like to have a non-cracked or broken one put back on your vehicle and not have that water that accumulates in the bottom. So when you get a new assembly, we're going to make sure that we put the clear bulb up in the top, because that's the brake and tail light assembly, or the brake and tail light. And we want the natural amber one to go in the bottom, because that's where the blinker goes. And the way we can tell that too is because this one's shaped with the red coating, and so the light is clear for that one, and we want the natural amber one to be in this clear one. So once we've done all that, then we're just going to put this, we've got this electric cord to put back into place, just to make it look all nice and tidy. And then there's this clip here, just snap that back on there so everything's all tidied up. One thing, you've got this little channel here to line up with this yellow push pin that's in there. And so then you're going to line that up there, and there was that metal pin right there, and push your pressure here, and then just snap it into place. So that's been snapped into place. Then we're going to want to put these two bolts back in to reinstall our outer tail light assembly and to secure it into place. So that's tightened and installed. The number 10 bolts to hold it in, and our taillight assembly has been reinstalled. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.